Hey, Seawolves, Chancellor Sandeen here.
And Ethan Berkowitz, Mayor of Anchorage.
We're standing here in Chester Creek to give you some important information about an upcoming road closure on Providence Drive.
Yeah, we're doing a little improv on Providence Drive.
Yeah, so we are going to need to close the complete road, Providence Drive, all lanes between UAA Drive and Spirit Drive. And this is to repair a culvert here on Chester Creek.
This creek, it's an anadromous stream, which means that salmon go up and down it. So that's one of the reasons why we're having to close the entire road. We're diverting the creek so we can install some 20-foot wide culverts.
It's really important, otherwise the road is going to fail. And I need to give a shout out to our colleagues at the Muni, also Fish and Game, for making this happen. Normally a project like this could take a matter of years, but they're getting it done for us in 6 weeks. That's excellent.
Well, this took a lot of great teamwork, and it wouldn't have happened if we hadn't had great partners at the university.
Well, remember, if we dealt with a 7.1 earthquake, we can certainly deal with a road closure for 6 weeks.
And we've been dealing with a lot worse recently.
Yeah, Alaska is a place I've learned. It's a place where people work together to get things done. Thanks, Mayor.